What up, YouTube? Back with another video. Getting ready for lsswap Sunday. Getting all my tools and stuff together so I can break this engine down. I still gotta go get one more piece. I gotta get my air gun, which I'm not gonna use on it, but I still want it around. It's a bad boy. He ain't been on YouTube. He been bad. Anyway, clean up the garage. Got this in a pile. I might keep this piled just in case I waste some oil or something, and I can get it up. But yeah, this is a 6.0 with 317 heads on it. I swear I watched about 1,000 videos on how to break this thing down and put it back together, so it shouldn't be hard. Shouldn't be hard at all. But y'all stay tuned for lsswap Sunday. I'm gonna have some light above y'all. I have some light up there, so I'll be all right. Yep, y'all stay tuned, man. Here we go right here. That's some oil wasted down there. I'm gonna have to get that up. But I think I got all the tools I need. Yep. I'm gonna have my son get that trash up. What you think, JoJo? Phone?
That's a big motor.
Big motor?
I ain't never seen a motor like that.
You never seen it?
Nah.
Alright. You gonna help me break it down?
Yeah.
Alright.
That's gonna be a fun thing to do.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, I would get to it today, but me and the wife got a date. Getting up out of here, leaving the kids at home. Man, but I'd rather be at home breaking this down. I ain't even gonna lie to you. But gotta make the wife happy. So y'all stay tuned for lsswap Sunday.